Sung by Shailaja Madam and Suri. They really, really nice song. So I would like to speak now a few words regarding the Constitution of India today. So we are celebrating 76th Republic Day, right? So just now Madam has explained that we got freedom in 1947 August. Then what is the importance of today? Republic Day. Why are we celebrating Republic Day? Because we wanted a constitution to govern our India. Because when we got independence, having proper constitution of India, and we were following 1935 Government of India Act. Just when Britishers were there, they challenged the Indian people that you people are not capable of preparing your own constitution. If we leave India, what will you do? How will you monitor your country? Because you don't know anything, you are not educated, you are illiterate, you don't know how to prepare constitution. They challenge the Indian people like anything. So, Motilal Nehru, the father of our honorable Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, took the challenge and they started making model constitution in 1940 only. But after getting independence, a proper drafting committee to prepare Indian constitution was set up on 29th August 1947. So after that, it took almost quite a lot of time, and we roamed almost all over India, and we have gathered so many important elements from different parts of the world, and finally we made a constitution. On 29th November 1949, we adopted the constitution. Like constitution didn't work and everything was finished, but we were searching for a proper day to get that constitution into force. And we have selected January 26, 1950 as the better day, best day to get the constitution into force. Why it is 1950 January 26? Can anyone tell? Any guesses? What is the importance? Why we waited for almost 3 months to start get the constitution into force? Can anyone tell? Everything, written work, everything was finished by 1949 January 26. But why we waited for some time? Can anyone tell? Because all these things we were discussing in the class. Anyone from any guesses? Anything can you say? Because in 1930 January 26, we declared as Purna Swaraj to India, and Jawaharlal Nehru declared as complete Swaraj, Purna Swaraj, and almost all the politicians at that time declared that India is free of British rule. So, but we could not get independence that time. So that was the main reason. So people waited for January 26, 1950, and they got the constitution into force. So as Madam said, we have roamed all over the world and got different elements from different constitutions. Parliamentary form of constitution we have adopted from Britain, because Britain we can call it as mother of parliament. So most of the elements we have taken from 1935 Government of India Act and also from Britain Parliament. And we have taken few elements from Russia, we have taken some few elements from US, and different parts of the world we have taken better elements into, and we adopted all the things into our constitution. So finally it got into force from 1950 January 26. And there are some, we declared our constitution as sovereign, secular, and democratic, liberty, fraternity, and there are these important elements we have included in our preamble. So preamble is the index of our constitution. So it is the front page of our constitution. We can compare it with the index of our textbooks. And when we see the preamble, automatically we can say ours is the largest, lengthiest constitution. So because we need a constitution which can include all the religions, all the different categories of sections into constitution, because that was the time period we really wanted a better constitution, because we are having so many diversities in India. So it was a very big challenge, and there are some criticisms also about the constitution. People criticize the constitution or constitutions in front of Ambedkar. So, but Ambedkar told only one thing. Whatever we could do, we have done, and it is the best constitution in the world that we can say. So we can say that it is the best constitution in the world. So that is the importance of today. And so every year, 1950 January 26, we celebrate our Republic Day. So this is the day when our constitution came into force. So Thank you all, and we should definitely pay homage to all our the leaders who have made this possible. And making a constitution for such a big country, India, is not a joke. And Ambedkar Sahib was the chairman of the drafting committee, and and members also there are almost 389 people from all over India who were selected to the Constitution Assembly. And after partition 100 members were reduced, and almost in India there were just 299 members who took this challenge of making the constitution. So such a big tremendous work has been done. And finally we have the written constitution today in India, and as and when needed we are making the changes, amendments also in India. So thank you very much, and every year we should celebrate this day, and thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Siapa? Sini. Oh, tak apa.